Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make scissor lift mechanism in Solidworks. So right now I am in assembly mode and I am going to make all my parts in assembly mode. Let's start. So first click on insert components, this down arrow, and click on new part. Select the part, click OK. Now I am selecting the top plane. Before drawing any sketch, make sure that you go to the Sketch tab and click on No External Preferences. If you don't, you will face mating issues. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now, draw a rectangle as per your dimensions requirement. In my case, I am drawing 400 by 250. All my units are in mm. Features, extrude. Let's say 5 mm. Okay, looks good to me. Now we click on this face, click on sketch and draw the shape like this. Let's give it a dimension 5 mm and this length as per your requirement. In my case 35 mm is fine. Click OK. Mirror entities. I want to mirror this entity about this line. Click OK. Features, extrude, up to surface and select this face. Click OK. Looks good to me. Select this face, click on sketch. Now draw a center line here. Press escape key. Draw a circle here and I will draw a slot here. The command right now that I am using, it's called slot. Now give it a dimension as per your requirements. In my case, I'm giving it a dimension 15 mm and it's from here 30 mm. Similarly, this is 7.5 mm. Total length is 150. Press escape key. Move it, drag outwards, inwards, and select these 2 points and give it 30 mm. Go to the features, click on extrude cut. Go to the blind, click on through all, click OK. So we got this. Press exit assembly component mode. By pressing Control, okay, by pressing Control, left click on your mouse, drag this part. So I got the same part. Click on here, rotate components. I want to rotate this component. I think this much is fine. Click OK. Go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make sure it is parallel, not coincide. Click OK. Now I will select this face and this face. Just parallel or coincident is fine. This one is coincident is fine. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I need something to that basically rods up and down. So what I will do, I will click on here. Okay, first click on the workspace, click on here, click on new part. Okay, and I will select the right plane. Now I will click on slot tool and draw like this. Give it a dimension as per your requirement. In my case 360 mm is fine. Okay, this is 15 mm, 15 mm, escape. and I will draw one more circle that is exactly at the center of it, and it is also 15 mm. Press escape key, go to the features, extrude, blind, 5 mm is fine, click OK, and exit the assembly component mode. Now what I will do, I will click on mates, just click the selection, select this face, and select this face. OK, select this face, go to the mechanical, click on slot, select this face. OK, select this face and this face. Go to the standard, click on coincident, click OK. Now what I will do, now what we can do is by pressing Ctrl left click on your mouse, drag this, go to the mates, select this one, advanced, sorry, mechanical, slot, this face. OK, select this face and this face, standard, this section. OK, select this face and this face. OK, select this face and this face. OK, press Ctrl plus 8. So it's fine to me, and go here, click on mirror components, mirror about what? Mirror about right plane. What I want to mirror? These two parts. Go here next, click OK. So if I try to move it upward and onwards, select this, press Ctrl plus 8, you can see it's working. Oh my bad. I think this one moved up. Let's add some meat so that it doesn't run away like earlier. So go here, clear selection, and select this face. Now it will not go run away like earlier. Issues are good thing that you see because it's teach you a lot of things. So in that way, you can make a simple scissor lift mechanism. It's not a sci-fi, very complex. It's a very simple and small tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.